Good morning, students. Now, today we will learn our chapter number second, that is electronic mail, part 1. Okay, in that first we will learn about the definition of internet, or you can say what is the internet. A global network connecting millions of computers together. Global means the full world, which is connecting with the computers network. Then connections are made through telephone lines. First, in the earliest, the connections were made through telephone lines, cable lines, and satellite dishes. But now, certainly, we are using the wireless connections. It includes www, that is World Wide Web, email, and chatting. Okay, now in the first, it is a network of computers interconnected throughout the world with the help of telephone lines and satellites. Okay, now next thing we learn in this is email. Now what is the email? You can see the picture of email here. Yes, correct. Now this email, now what is the full form of the email? Email is an electronic message or electronic mail sent from one device to another. वो एक मैसेज जो है वो एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में सेंड करने के लिए. With email we can send and receive messages with attachments such as photos and documents. Now here emails you can send also and you can receive also. But in the earliest days we were posting the letters in the post box, correct? So you are in the fear that it is going or no, or at the uh, whatever timing you want at that time it is going or no. Okay, it's going late or it's going on time. So that was the fear in our mind. Yes, stamp duty, all the things where you had to do it, correct? But in the email, within a second, you can send the message so that one person in front of you can receive that, or on the another side, he can send it. Okay? We can also send music, videos, clips, and software programs. Suppose, for example, your birthday celebration is there and you have clicked the photos, and your family member, one of your family member is out of your country, and you have to send the photos of your birthday. So you can send it with the help of email. Your video clips also, your photos also, etc. Now the next thing we learn is search engines. Now there are many search engines. Now which are they? You can say Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com. Okay, these are some Google, or you can say search engines from where you can work. Okay, now next thing we'll learn about the parts of an email address. Parts of an email address. Now email address जब आप बनाते हो तो वो कुछ पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. अभी वो पार्ट्स कौन से है देखो. फर्स्ट थिंग you can see J Martinez, that is your username. You can see @ sign is there. You can press the sign with the help of shift key, so that sign is your symbol, and that is read as @ that symbol @ sign is read as @. Now this is your mail server. and .com. Mail server you can be as Gmail also, Yahoo also, etc. So that is a mail servers, or you can say as a service provider. .com, that is your domain. Okay. Now here in detail also one thing again I will tell you, that the user ID, that means you can say as a username. Okay, it is used to sign into the email service. Notice, now suppose in some cases you can see that underscore sign is given. So that sign is given to separate words in the name. It's used to connect many words and make sure that your email address is having a unique name. Instead of some written letters, you can use the numbers also in your email ID. Correct? Now Gmail, it indicates the name of the email service provider I had told you. Okay. Now next thing, details. In the details, see J underscore Martinez, that is your user ID. At, this is read as at, and gmail.com, that is your service provider. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now further we'll go. See, you can see the picture. Now opening a new email account, or you can say as a create account. Now see in the picture, you can see here the arrow is shown here. If you don't have any account and first time only you are sitting on the computer to make an Gmail account, so for that purpose you have to click on create account. Next thing, you can see here one form is there. In that form you can see first name, you have to fill the form like a admission form how you fill. So same way here also there is a form. First name, see I will show you. First name, whatever your name will be there, at what, in which name you have to give to your email, that name. Your last name. After that, when you enter the names, you will get certain options here, see. So that options you can select it from there, a particular Gmail address, user ID, for a particular user ID. Correct? Then @gmail.com. Okay. Now next thing in that is password. Now your password should be a strength password. वीक पासवर्ड मीन्स अगर आप ऐसे ही छोटा मोटा पासवर्ड देंगे तो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. सो योर पासवर्ड शुड बी लाइक दैट यू शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट एनी टाइम. You should not forget it. So you have to give here the password. Confirm password means again you have to write the same password. Your password should be of 8 or more characters. Then you have to press the next button. After finishing it, your next step is verifying your phone number. It will ask to verify your phone number, whichever phone number you are giving here. Okay, it will ask it, and after that your message will come that with what name you have entered it. It will show you that you have been welcome to the Google. You have been welcome to the Google, and your ID will be shown here. Okay, correct. Now there is one recovery, means if you anytime if you are forgetting your email id or your password. So at that time you need a recovery email address. So for that purpose we need a month, means birth date, day and month, day and year. You have to fill the information. Then are your gender, it will ask you for the gender, that is female or male. Okay, and then you have to click on the next button. Okay, after that, if you are finishing your form, okay, entering your form, you will get a login screen as Gmail login. Okay, understood? Thank you.